We love changing our hair. We love to do it. This is my weekend project. A little color before the summer is over. I feel like I needed to do it. I was supposed to do it when it first turned summer, so. All right, let's see what we can do with these colors here. What's it giving? How can we figure this out? I don't want to spend no money this weekend, and I feel like I can make this work. All right, so here we are. This is before any heat, anything. Yeah, this is really not bad for watercolor, y'all. It's the bush right now. Wait for it. Okay, so the application process begins. I got it on. I'm gonna try not to do baby hair. It depends on how I look, but this is a start.
Now that this is completely
Also
dry,
watching
I am going to go
another
ahead
video.
and cut this all off, well, at least the excess of it. And how I do that is I'm going to go ahead and take my shears and how
all right, so we got one finished side.
How it looked like before versus now.
Okay, y'all, here we go. I don't know why I just don't be in my tripod. I don't be feeling like running, Brandon and there playing the games too much. So this is just strictly the color. I curled it. Let me see what it gives in the back. Okay, curls don't look too bad. You know, it's kind of tough getting it back. Could have done this a little better. I think I'm gonna catch that one. Okay, it looks a little bit more live back there. Okay. Now for the reveal. All right. Okay. Let's see. We got a few little white spots. Okay. Figure that out. This round the ear thing is always a test. Because for me, I don't necessarily want to do that. See how it looks. How is he looking with the comeback?
I was just a little boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself, I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career. And I've been rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we go wrong. 'Cause now
It sucks that I can't wear this for it. Because I would really want to. But this is just a video. Because I was bored. This nail is getting on my nerves. Y'all say time because my next video is going to be me doing my own nails. Period. Switching from camera to camera. What's the back? Okay, and let's go in here and see what Brandon thinks. So, what do you think?
I love it, baby. You look amazing.
Uh-huh.
You looking brand new, baby. Top of the line.
Mm-hmm. This is new favorite thing to do, y'all. Over there. Yes. I love it. went to work on a project this weekend, and I did it. I've been trying to figure out what color I was gonna kill the summer with. And I did it. Another wig with no baby hair.